Crashes are inevitable. It's just still ice. Look at my legs, they're just Whoopsies. Yeah, it's always a good day in Texas when we've got weather like this, when it's been below freezing for multiple days and we still have power. Ted Cruz didn't go to Cancun, you know, like, we're doing all right, you know? I'm still young enough and stupid enough, I gotta take a bike out. The HappyRun it feels like this was the deal. This was the right one to take out. I can make it up that. Let's go for it, let's go for it, go on. Yeah, it was spinning, but it made it. It's not what they said it's gonna be. They said we're gonna have like 6 or 7 inches of snow, and this is not, no, this is not even like an inch 1 and 2. This was just, all it was freezing rain. I don't think it's been above freezing though for like 3-4 days now. Kind of shutting everything down because we're idiots. We don't know how to drive on this Look, that's just locky. It's just, this is actually powdery right here. Whoa! But look, it's really just dry shit. It's not like snow. I don't know what you'd call it. I'm not versed enough in my ices to know what you call it, but it's just built up freezing rain. It's, you know, I saw some kids trying to make a snowman. Their fingers were bleeding. It doesn't work. Woo! This is concrete right here. Yeah, look, this is concrete. Luckily, these Tech 7s really make good skis. For some reason, mine are really slick on the bottom. It's almost like some dickhead did something to all the tread on them. Get it, HappyRun. Woo! Oh, there's an S2000. Do some drifties. This part's scary. Okay. Yeah! Everyone's just having fun. Look at us. Here we are in Texas, not dying because there's no electricity. Everyone's out just drifting. Everyone's just drifting. Kids with their dads in the truck, S2000s, dumb on their e-bikes. We're having a good old time there. That was rough. No, he felt that. That hurt me. Yeah, dude! I'm generally just drifting, just trying to follow him. Yeah. Go to my Instagram, put Jake _. It's called HappyRun.
Oh, I see.
It's kind of like a knockoff of a Surron, if you know what those are.
Because he's following you.
Oh yeah?
I was surprised. I feel like Caleb will follow already.
Did you know I was in this area? Ah! It's trying to crash. The other guy in the truck said he was from Canada originally, and now he lives here couple years, but he's been following me for like 10 years or something. I said, do you think you would have ran into me? He's like, no. Sometimes it'd be a small world like that, and I love it. See, Fire Guy always gets mad at me when I'm drifting a bike because I hop my inside foot. Sometimes it makes me let off for a second. He's like, oh, you just pivot on it. I'm like, it doesn't pivot. It sticks. I'll break my knee. But look, Chris. Look, it's just, I'm doing it now. You happy? I'm like a f***ing stunt boy right now. I'll show you something I've been trying to learn on this thing. Where you kind of, and then we pivot. Oh my God, it's so hard in the slick. I've been trying to figure out how to do these. It's so hard in the slick. I can't get a grip. Do some B-Rad boys. Never mind. Sometimes I'm editing these videos of myself and I think, for sakes, I'm 40 years old now and I still giggle like I did when I'm in my 20s. I meet people all the time too that are my age or a year or two older, and I swear to hell, man, they look like they're 20 years older than me. And I don't think I look young, but I have a lot of people that are shocked when they find out my age at this point. And I'm like, is it the bike? Is it the giggling and the dumb shit, whatever? Because I think if anything, it would have me up. I've been hurt a number of times. Not exactly the easiest thing on you. Crashes are inevitable. They're just gonna happen. Stupid shit like this, I think, keeps you kind of youthful. Oh my God, it's like, oh, you're not stopping for that one. Keep going. Someone was just asking me in the Discord, like, you actually like that HappyRun, or did you just, you know, do a video on it because they gave you one? I probably ride this thing more than any of my other bikes, you know, just not always on camera. It's a lot of times just me riding around the neighborhood. Are you gonna mad at me to scare you? I was just thinking that. I was like, it's gonna freak this dude out because it's coming up so quiet.
Oh yeah, I thought it was bees. I was like,
dude, if there's any bees out right now, those some wild bees.
That bike is sick. I need to get one of those.
Yeah, this one's like half the price of a Surron. It's not quite as fast, but it's like it's still fun, you know. be safe, dude. Look, I am just skiing now. Wait, can I stand up? I can't. Okay, that doesn't like that. It doesn't like that. Wait to start. You're gonna have that about 3 times before it'll start right now. At this point, I'm literally just shocked how well this does. I mean, yeah, you gotta give yourself room to brake. Sometimes you gotta put the skis down. Yeah, these boots have a lot of wear just like this right here on them already, but I can't imagine this ice doing too much more. I think they're about at the end of their life though anyway. They're getting pretty busted up, which is a shame because the boot's actually in good shape. It's just the sole. I've worn the sole from Supermoto track days. The worst part is my fingers are getting really cold. I remember when I was a teenager though, we loved this. We just don't get a lot of them in Texas, so when we would have a snow day, we'd all be trying to find some big lot with our car. It didn't matter what you had. I had a Mercury Cougar, a 97 Mercury Cougar. That's a grandpa car. So it was rear-wheel drive and it had a limited slip. If you wanted, they could do a donut in the dry snow. Oh yeah, full lock to full lock. Just, you know, you think it's just the kids that want to do drifts like that. Well, here, I'll tell you what happened. I remember one time the weather was snowing, and my dad grew up on the northeast coast. He knows about driving in the bad weather. I was like 16, 17. I needed to go to work. It was crappy out. He's like, oh, I'll drive you to work. I was like, oh, come on, Dad. He's like, yeah, don't worry, I'll pick you up when you get off. I was annoyed because I wanted to like drift my car around the parking lot. When I got off, the big old parking lot we had out there at the grocery store, I knew no one was going to be there with the weather. So Dad comes and picks me up, like, oh, it was work, blah, blah, do. Hey, hang on. Start sliding the car around. Like, hell yeah, Dad knows what's up. Maybe it's that fun of not getting this kind of weather all the time. That means when it does come, we really act like kids, you know. We all have fun, even the grown-ups. We all have a little bit of fun. If you enjoyed this video, whoa! You want to help support this channel, go on over to my Patreon. Just $1 a month. You can see longer uncensored versions of these videos ad-free, and you get in my Discord. Come play Fortnite with us. Oh my God, I'm about to die. Or Rocket League. I'm playing that now too. You know, I mean, different things. They're slowly like forcing me to get into gaming. I don't want to get into gaming. This is too much fun. Well, there we go. You can also do that by joining my YouTube members. We put it on there now too. Yeah, if you do join those, I think you just gotta link your Discord to your YouTube or to your Patreon, whichever one you used, and it'll just add you to the server auto-magically. Get in there and say what's up to me, and call my phone, because you can do that. Whoa! Yeah, that was a good one. Feels good though to get out and do a little bit of digging around like this. This is good fun. All right, y'all. See you next video.